This is a big box. It's my new subscription from FabFitFun. So if you want to see what's in it, keep watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. I'm Andrea and I like to do unboxings and subscription boxes, mostly clothing, but this time I have something a little different. If you like that kind of content, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And if you like this video, give me the thumbs up, like, and leave me a comment. Help me grow my channel. Thank you so much for spending part of your day watching my video. I really, really do appreciate it. All right, so FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription. Actually, I think you can get it just, you can order one box. It comes out quarterly, and I actually had a year's subscription. 2020, 2021, my kids gave it to me for Mother's Day, and I did not renew it. I've had some other lifestyle subscriptions. The other ones were ocean themed, Oceanista, I can't remember what they were called, but so I kept seeing these ads for FabFitFun in my Facebook feed, and saw some videos, and they were sending me emails, and it just looked like it might have some interesting stuff in it. So I decided to go ahead and get a year's subscription. And they offered me, like, I think it said $200 worth of extras. So that's why this is such a big box. And this is what's in it. So there's the FabFitFun, and then these are the extras. Let me put it down here. So you can have an annual membership, and then you get to choose all 6 of your items that are in your box. Or if you go the quarter to quarter, then you only get to choose some of your items. And unfortunately, I waited long enough that some of the things that I thought looked really cool were no longer available. But I still think I got some pretty good stuff. All right. And then in addition, these were the extras. So I'm going to open those first. And okay, it looks like some wine glasses, and I like my wine, so these will come in handy, and they are colored. Those are very, very pretty. It's our place. All right, let's see, they're both the same color. I bought some glasses from HomeGoods that were blue and didn't read the instructions. Put them in the dishwasher, and then they were gray, and then the next time we washed them, they were just clear. So yeah, that is very nice. I'm very happy with that. I'm drinking my cup of tea. All right, let's see what else there is. We've got Sunday Citizen. Says it's a resin bath set. Need my opener for this. So I think you're supposed to get like a $300 value in your box, and all these extras were supposed to come to, I think it's like $200. I do feel, and I remember this from the last time I had a subscription, I do feel like they overvalue some of their things by quite a bit. But this is nice. This is so for your bathroom, a soap pump and a cup for your, I can't find my words, your toothbrush. So that's very nice. There's a lot of extras in here. This looks like a blanket, little corbousse. There are a ton of these little moisture things. All right, so it's a woven throw blanket in this rust color. So tell me if you subscribe to FabFitFun or another lifestyle box, and if so, which one and what you think of it. Very sticky. So it's this throw blanket. That's how long it is. It's not soft, I will say that. It's definitely not soft, and it's pretty thin. It's very nice, but it would be more decor as opposed to something that I would actually want to cuddle up in, but it's very nice. Okay. And then we have two more things. We have a Lily Pulitzer ID case. So that's what that looks like. I guess it's a little purse, and then trying to figure out where you would put your ID in at, because there's a little window for the ID, but it's all sewn up as far as I can tell, so I don't know how you're supposed to get your ID in there. That would be good for maybe like luggage. Yeah, there's not like a place to insert it as far as I can tell. Okay, well, I'll look at that. And then reusable makeup swabs. All right, that's something new. Really hard to get into all these different boxes and stuff. So these are all the things that I got. Okay, so it's a little plastic case, and then it's like spring-loaded, and it's got a couple swabs for makeup. Oh, and they're made out of silicone. Interesting. Have you ever used anything like that? I've never seen anything like that before. Okay. All right, now we will get to the main event. So I did those spring flings and very nice things. I did get to choose all 6 items, so I kind of remember most of them. And then it says, deals for days, deals every week on all your favorite brands, and enter to win $1,000. So the other thing with FabFitFun is that you can do add-ons. So you can add things onto your box, and they'll send it all in the same box. And then they have various sales throughout the year. Okay, we got some coupons in here. Hello Fresh. Win a Celine vertical cabas tote in partnership with Rebag. Okay, so first up, I chose this salad bowl by Swell, the Swell salad bowl kit. And I'm just trying to get away from using a lot of plastic. So I don't go out to work or anything, so I wouldn't use it for that, but it's something that I could store in the refrigerator. It comes with a top, so you put your lettuce and vegetables in there, and then you put that on top of it if you have like meat or anything that you're adding, chicken, fish, whatever. And then there's a little container for your salad dressing. And this is very clever. I might see if my daughter wants this, because she's a teacher, so she does take her lunch with her to school. So it goes on there like that. And then you put that on top. and it says scan for exclusive swell offers, so I'll have to check that out. And it's this pretty pink color. So even if my daughter doesn't want it, or I decided that I want to keep it, I feel like it would be really useful just to store things in the refrigerator. So happy with that choice. Are you a tea drinker or a coffee drinker? I'm a tea drinker. I never developed a taste for coffee except if I put in lots of other flavorings to cover up the coffee taste. And if you're a tea drinker, do you put milk and sugar in it? That's how I drink my tea. I like a nice strong black tea, and I like it with a teaspoon of sugar and milk. So I call it sweet milky tea. And then I've got black eye mask hyaluronic acid. So I think that's for under your eyes. I wanted to get some of those. And then we have, let's see, what is this? Oh, this is, so it comes in this nice little pouch. This is a bracelet. And just a gold gut. And it's got a couple places where you can clip it, because I have really tiny wrists. Oh, and it's got a little crystal there. So that's nice, I like that. I also got the earrings. And it's a set of 3 different earrings, three sizes of, it's kind of like a comma shape. So that's nice in the gold tone. And then I also got the Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Intense Ultra Hydrating Day and Night Cream. And I'm generally a drunk elephant type of person. That's all my skincare for the most part. And I think this category, there just weren't a lot of choices. But I think that'll be good. Tula is a nice brand. And then last, this is by PJ Salvage, and it is a headband and wristbands for when you wash your face, so they don't get wet. That's how it comes. It's tied up, so you put it on your wrist like that, and then you would tie it up like that, get your hair out of the way, and then your hair doesn't get wet. It's really soft. I got a set of that for my daughter for Christmas, and she was really excited about it. So when I saw that this was an option, I thought that would be a good thing to try. All right, now I am going to add everything up and tell you what everything was worth. Okay, I had to go get my iPad and pull it up. They used to put, I want to say they used to put a magazine in here with all the descriptions and prices and things, but I did not see that in there this time. So the Swell salad bowl kit in Peony is $40. The Tula Skincare 24/7 Moisture Intense Ultra Hydrating Day and Night Cream is $58. The little bracelet is $48. I don't know that I would ever pay that much for it. It's the Adina Eden Pave Safety Pin Paperclip Bracelet. Oh, that is a little tiny paper clip. See? I feel like 48 is a lot for that. The hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid, set of 5, there's 5 in here, this is $29. And the 8 Other Reasons Charlotte Hoop set, that is $42. And then the PJ Salvage spa headband and wristband set is $28. And that seems reasonable. It does not say what these other things are worth. So it says the total value is $245. And I paid, let's see, how much did I pay for it? Okay, it took me a minute to find what I wanted. So the annual subscription, you prepay for 4 boxes and you save $20, and you also get to customize all 6 of your items, as well as you get to customize before the seasonal people get to. It's $54.99, so essentially $55 for the box, and they said that it was worth $245. The seasonal box is $60 a box, and you get to customize 4 things. The other thing is, if you don't want your box, you can swap it for credit to use in their store. I think that's it. The other thing is, they do have a shop, and I guess they have weekly specials. So things like an unhide blanket, those are super, super soft, and the MSRP is $95. You can get it from FabFitFun for $50 if you're a member. The Always Pan is $145. You can get it for $109, and then there are some other things here. So there are a lot of different benefits to being a FabFitFun member. And I will go ahead and leave my link below. If you don't have FabFitFun, something is flying around me. If you don't have FabFitFun and you use that link, it'll give you 20% off your first box, or off your membership. I will figure out what it is and go ahead and put that in the description, and I will pin that to the first comment, which I pinned to the top. All right, what did you think? Let me know. Let me know if you have FabFitFun or another subscription. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.